People on Pinterest love to plan. It's safe to say they are the planners of the world. So you as a marketer need to get in front of them while they're in the planning stage, which means we need to give you some ideas and some plans for your October pinning so you can stay ahead of the game and get in front of those planners. First up, let's talk about the mindset of a pinner. By October, many pinners are deep in their festive searches. Those looking for products are already thinking ahead to Christmas or any other holiday where you give gifts in the month of December. So again, they're planning ahead. For those who sell products, it's a great time to start promoting your maybe Cyber Monday or Black Friday sale. Now, you don't want to talk about actually what will be on sale, but just really talking about that there will be a sale. So maybe they can get on your email list or join your community. With that, here are some really great ideas for what you can create content-wise that will help you get in front of those searchers who are planning in October. First up, let's talk about DIY and crafts. Especially with the economy being a little bit tighter, people are definitely looking to DIY their decor, their Halloween costumes, or any crafts that they have for kids, or anything where they can do it themselves, whether it's front porch, maybe your tablescape, or it could even be just simple mantle decor. Make sure that you use DIY and fall and anything else related in your keywords. Next up is education. I know we've all seen an elementary school classroom all decked out in fall decor. Teachers are searching for curriculum, whatever the subject, to incorporate leaves and pumpkins and Halloween. So if you talk about any type of curriculum or you have any educational materials around that, make sure you cater it by using the words fall, leaves, skeleton, pumpkin, whatever it is. All right, family and parenting. We all know this is the time of year that people take their kids to the pumpkin patch. If you've got some tips, this is an excellent time to share that. Or you can talk about recipes to make with kids, drinks to make with kids, even parties, or maybe food that is alternative to the typical candy that you find on Halloween. Some people want to go the more healthy route, so don't forget options like that when it comes to helping parents and educators even help facilitate these types of environments for kids that may be a little more healthy than something that's traditional with all the sweets. All right, here's one thing to think about. It's up and coming. So in October, people are thinking about Christmas decorations, they're thinking about Thanksgiving. So don't just be thinking just straight October and fall. Start to get a little bit ahead of the game by sharing gift guides or gift ideas or anything you think that people are looking for to be inspired by, because maybe they don't know what to get a certain person. So that's another tip. Be really targeted with your gift guides, not just the best gift guide of 2023 or 2024. You want to get more specific. The best gifts for teen boys, the best gifts for toddlers, the best gifts for the college graduate. Whatever it is, be really specific in your gift guide title. All right, let's talk fashion and beauty. There is always a big wave when the seasons change, where people are searching fall outfits, they're searching for best fall boots, or even fall makeup. They're even searching for things like homecoming dresses, which traditionally happen in the fall season. So do a search on Pinterest too for some of these terms if you're wondering what other people are posting about. And you'll get some inspiration and some ideas for how you can really capture those who are trying to be on trend with their fashion and their makeup in the fall. Food and drink. Now, I know there's two types of people. Those who love pumpkin and those who hate pumpkin. So when you see all the people posting about pumpkin spice, you're like dead to me. Those people are searching for apple, maybe for hazelnut, or maybe for anything warm and spicy. So don't just always go with what you like, because people in your audience might like something different. But look at this whole genre of fall foods. Think about pears, think about apples, think about figs, think about anything that is ripe in this season. Also, crock-pot meals go crazy in October. It's the time that people are looking for soups, or they're looking for anything they can make ahead that can sit and simmer all day, and they can come home and their house smells amazing. All right, we already talked a little about DIY and crafts, But home decor is a big one. There are people out there, it is not me, but there are people out there who change up their theme in their home every year and they get really, really, really excited about it. So they are all in on the fall decor. They're the ones at Costco with like the big mums in their cart and they have this whole front like stair steps that are like beautiful. They're going crazy on Pinterest and they're looking for inspiration. I can guarantee they have a whole board devoted to fall decor ideas. So just know that is big on Pinterest this time of year. Travel. So it seems a little bit weird to talk about travel in October because it feels like in summer travel is really high, but there are a lot of places that people go specifically in the fall because it's more of an off season in most places. Besides places that are big attractions, even the Christmas markets in Germany, there's lots of things that people are thinking about traveling to because maybe they're not summer travel people. So if you talk about travel, think about those destinations that are pretty high on the list for people. I'm imagining like Vermont or Virginia or things with those beautiful leaves. So really captivate on hitting up those fall terms or winter terms when it comes to travel over the next couple of months. Okay, we have so many more ideas for you in our keyword guide, and we even have a podcast, What to Pin in October. So if you need help, if you need inspiration, go visit those links below in the description to get more inspiration. And as always, reach out to us. We're happy to help. We've been doing this Pinterest marketing thing for almost 10 years. We know a lot about what to pin around the year, and we're happy to help.